Let's have a party.
Today is Sarah's birthday. She is very excited because her friends are at her house. There are balloons and party horns in the living room. Sarah says, "Let's have fun." Her mother brings a big cake with candles. Everyone is singing, and Sarah makes a wish. She blows out the candles and her friends clap and laugh. Then she says, "Let's play games." The children are playing games and having fun. After that, they are dancing and singing together. Sarah's father is taking photos. Later, Sarah is opening her presents. She smiles and says, "I love my gifts." It is a happy party, and everyone is excited.